Your blood pressure is high. I'm prescribing lisinopril. Okay, doctor. Thank you. Doctor, I started the medicine, but now I have this cough. A cough?
Why does a blood pressure medicine cause a dry cough? That sounds unrelated, right? ACE inhibitors block the conversion of angiotensin I to angiotensin II. But here's the twist. ACE also breaks down bradykinin. When ACE is blocked, bradykinin accumulates. That irritates the lungs, causing a persistent dry cough. Exam clue: dry cough plus hypertension drug equals think ACE inhibitor, causing dry cough.